no homeless people sleeping in our igloo tonight.
Bienvenidos al MTV Cribs. Welcome to MTV Cribs. Well, here we come. There's one of the cribs, MTV Cribs. You're gonna see first time ever. First time here. And us. Okay, now. How you doing, people?
We have VIP, man.
Welcome to the igloo. Welcome to the igloo. Check it out. That's what we've been doing on February 2nd, 2011. Take a look around. Good stuff.
Top of the line. One of a kind.
Camera guy's getting a little crazy. Alright.
So if y'all get dizzy, just because of him.
Now you gotta say, now you could come in.
Yeah, come on in, Georgie.
Come on in, man. Make yourself in here. Grab some coffee. We got some mocha coffee.
It's warm in here, kind of warm.
Alright, people. Tell me something about your cribs.
Alright, Facebook. I hope you like. Check it out. Enjoy. We're kicking you out now. You gotta go.
Yeah. Not bad. Wait a second. Where's the kitchen? Where's the living room? Where's the bathroom?
This is the studio version right here.
Oh, okay.
One bedroom, no bed, sleep on the ground.
Yeah, you can actually hear echo too. See.
Shh. Listen. You can hear my ass getting colder.
Oh, that's maybe the wild.
Alright, we're out.
Hasta la vista.
Bye, Facebook.
Come back anytime. When it's cold.
Adios, güeyes. Adios. Adios.
Hasta luego.
Hasta la vista. I'll be back.
Not a tuba.
Tuba.
It's a fucking igloo.
Oh.
The chopper.
Use some tapa. Alright. Let's go.
Peace out, mate.
We're coming. Go grab.
Alright. Here we go.
Bye, guys.
I'll go first. No, you better cut that shit up. We don't want to see it.
Next year, get to record when you guys are coming out.
Alright.
Nice.
Alright.
Next. Check this out. Check this out.
Hey, I think that's a red box.
That's George.
Was it moving by itself?
I
Hey,
think so.
Who the fuck is that guy?
Polar bear. This is my Pepsi.
We prefer Coca-Cola.
Turn on the truck so they can see the whole igloo.
I'm Pepsi. Fuck off.
We built a fucking igloo.
Nice. Now people can see the igloo.
Not so many people could say they've been in an igloo. I guess that was one.
Not many people can say they built one.